What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod back with another video, and today I got a special trip to the thrift for you guys. And I go to thrift stores all the time to source things for eBay and Poshmark, but like I said, this video is special because I'm going to source to find some stuff for these mystery boxes that you guys have been asking about. And I gave it some thought, and I'm only gonna do 5 mystery boxes because, for one, I'm not a mystery box guy. I don't have a plug for a ton of like inventory, so the stuff that I'm gonna be putting in these mystery boxes are stuff that I could literally list myself and make that full amount of profit for. But I do want to switch things up and kind of just give back to you guys, because I know some of you don't have access to these really dope thrift stores, and I find really nice things on a daily basis. So like I said, I'll just go ahead and I'll just basically do the heavy lifting for you guys, and I'll just source some of these pieces and just throw it in a mystery box so you guys can make some money. If you guys really do enjoy it, the few that actually purchase some, I'll probably do a drop maybe once a month just to spice things up and just keep you guys excited to, look out for these mystery boxes. So I'm going to check out 2 thrift stores today. Hopefully we find some good stuff. Not everything that I source is going to go in the box. Some stuff is just going to be sitting for the fourth quarter, because I usually come across a lot of jackets and winter boots, and I still pick those stuff up too. But like I said, hopefully I find some good stuff in these mystery boxes. And if you're watching this video right now, the site is live, so you can check that out if you're interested. And without further ado, let's get into it. Right, y'all, so as soon as I walked in, I came across this pair of Reebok Zig Tech running shoes, and these shoes look super comfortable. I actually never saw this pair in person before, so I was definitely thinking of picking these up. Then I checked the price. God damn, $15. But I mean, I still might go ahead and pick these up, only because I know these will probably sell for a decent amount of profit. Next, I checked the pants section, and then I came across a pair of Khaki Bonobos pants. And Bonobos, this brand isn't as hot as it used to be, but these pants still sell for a decent amount of profit, sometimes 25, 30 bucks. And right now it's summertime, so of course a lot of people are looking for these type of khaki pants. So I'll go ahead and I'll pick these up too, and this seems to be a pretty good size as well. Next up, I checked the jersey section, and I saw this. I never saw this jersey before. This is a San Jose Quakes jersey. This is probably one of those local like MLS league jerseys. So I know these don't sell for a ton of profit, but the overall jersey itself is pretty dope. So I might just keep this in the personal collection for something to wear to the gym. But I don't know. We'll see. I actually just like selling jerseys. And speaking of jerseys, I came across this Michael Sam Rams jersey. And this jersey was actually brand new with tags. So I'm thinking I might go ahead and pick this one up. The funny thing is, I usually don't try to get these type of jerseys, these on-field jerseys that aren't stitched. But since this is brand new with tags, I think I might as well just give it a shot. And it's a size large, so why not? We'll see how much it sells for. Next up is this Orvis quarter zip pullover, and this is pretty clean, pretty nice, but it's kind of boring, kind of simple. And I usually only pick up their plaid shirts, or sometimes I might get a pair of pants from them if it's in a large size, because that sells pretty well for me. So I'll pass on that one. And next I came across this black Zara jacket, and this was probably a full suit, but I only see the jacket here. And Zara pieces are kind of hit or miss. Since it's fast fashion, sometimes you just got to use your best judgment and pick the stuff that's kind of trendy, because sometimes Zara pieces sell out fast, so people are looking for it, but nobody's going to be rushing to eBay or Poshmark to find that black blazer, so I'll pass on that. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I'm constantly looking for stuff for the fourth quarter, so that means sweaters and jackets and stuff like that. I'm still stocking up on these, and this Peter Millar like pullover is pretty clean in my opinion. It's practically brand new, and I know Peter Millar stuff sells for a decent amount of profit on eBay. And this is the Element Warmth pullover. So I just checked the comps on this. I'm seeing it sells for a decent amount of profit, so I might pick this one up as well. Next, I saw this Tommy Bahama sweater. And these Tommy Bahama pieces usually don't sell for a ton of profit. Neither do the shirts. Tommy Bahama as a whole just kind of died down. So I just wanted to show y'all this, but this isn't something that I usually go for. See, I just dropped it already. I'm still in the sweater section, and I came across this Polo Ralph Lauren quarter zip sweater. And anytime I see a sweater like this that doesn't have any brand recognition on it, I usually pass on it. And this one in particular has a lot of pilling, and even though I have a sweater shaver, I'm not low on inventory, so something like this just isn't worth my time. And next I came across this cool sweater for women, and this is more like kind of like a turtleneck, I think a funnel neck. I don't know what people like to call it, but I like picking up anything from the brand Cool. It usually sells for a decent amount of profit, and it usually sells pretty quick for me. So this is something that I'll definitely pick up as well, especially since it is in a really nice, kind of like a summery colorway as well. So I'll definitely grab this one. Now, I don't know what it is with all these sweaters I'm finding, but I'm definitely not mad at it, because in the next couple of months, when everybody's like trying to find sweaters and jackets, trust me, I'm going to already have a ton to list. And this North Face fleece is in really good condition, really nice and clean, not too much pilling at all on this, probably just on the sleeve. So I'll definitely pick this one up as well, and I'll just head to another thrift store. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I came across this North Face and Supreme Steep Tech backpack, and this is like an older collab. I know that one for sure, but the thing that stood out the most to me about this backpack is that I know there's like a smaller bag or like a fanny pack that's supposed to be attached to the front of this, and that one's missing, so that's a major flaw. But outside of that, it really does look really nice, really clean. I'm trying to just do some quality control, trying to check the stitching, trying to just make sure that this thing is legit, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you guys are very familiar with these type of hype pieces, drop a comment, let me know your thoughts, let me know your opinion. I'm just really trying to see if this one is legit, and I know it has this hologram sticker on the inside, so that's a good sign as well. But for 20 bucks for this backpack, honestly, it's definitely gonna be worth the risk, because these sell for like 100, sometimes even more, so I'll take the chance on that. Now, in this thrift store, I like to check the hard goods and the electronics, because they usually do have some decent electronics in this store. And this is a Auric XL, and shout out to Craigslist Hunter, because I never would have even thought to look at these Auric machines. And this one is an air purifier, and I was just checking the comps on this one. I think he sold one similar, but he probably sold the one that's like high end, because the one that I'm looking at right now is pretty cheap. It usually sells for like 20, maybe 30 bucks if I'm lucky. But I still tested it, and after I tested it out, it didn't even work. So no wonder it's been sitting here for over 2 weeks. But if you guys see some of these air purifiers, definitely pick it up, because as you can see, some of them, especially with that wood grain, sell for like 80 bucks. Now back to the men's clothing section, and here's a nice Robert Graham shirt, and these Robert Graham shirts still sell pretty quickly for me. I don't expect a ton of profit like I used to for these shirts. I usually get like 30 bucks, maybe 35, depending on the size, and this one's really clean, so I'm definitely gonna pick this one up. And this one might actually go in a mystery box, so be on the lookout for that one. Next is this Rain Spooner shirt, and this shirt was really dope in my opinion until I ended up seeing this hole on the chest. So this was just really depressing actually, because this shirt would have sold really quickly for me, especially during this time of the year. But I mean, it is what it is. Next, I saw this Travis Matthew golf polo shirt, and these polo shirts usually sell pretty quickly for me as well. I've been telling you guys, golf stuff has been selling really quickly, and Travis Matthew isn't like a really great brand, but it sells quick for at least 25 bucks for me. So with that print, I should get some decent profit. And here I got a Fred Perry sportswear shirt, and I usually only come across their polos, so this was a nice little change for me. And honestly, if this one is in my size, I would have kept it, but size 38 translates to a small, so that's a little too small for me. But I might include this in a mystery box as well, because this might also sell for about 25 to 30 bucks. And shout out to this thrift store for always putting the staple in the collar of the shirt, because sometimes that really damages the shirt, and y'all just piss me off with that shit. So shout out to y'all. But next, I came across this Vineyard Vines plaid shirt, and the Tucker shirt usually sells for like 25, sometimes a little more depending on the size, but this one should sell for at least 25 bucks, especially since it's on trend, it's on season. And I might put this in a mystery box as well, because this might sell pretty quickly for you guys. Alright, y'all, that's all I have for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed that one, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And like I said, the mystery boxes are live right now, and I'm only going to release just about 5 of these. I don't got a ton of inventory to kind of like give away, so I'm just going to do a very limited run. And I might consider doing some more, maybe once a month or every other month. Who knows how it goes. But like I said, I want you guys to purchase these boxes. For those of you that do, share it on Instagram, share it on YouTube, do a YouTube video, do an unboxing. Because like I said, this isn't going to be the typical mystery box with like Target stuff and Walmart stuff and stuff that I can't sell myself. This is going to be good shit. Like I said, if you guys are interested in that, check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Underrated. This lightning's causing thunder.